Ooh, look at this beautiful sweeping shot of a cat on a couch. How did I get that shot? Well, I hacked it with something I already had lying around the house, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is in just a second. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn. I'm here to simplify video creation for you with interviews, reviews, and hacks. And today we are talking about the simplest hack I have ever even tried. Before I tell you about my ingenious hack, comment below and let me know if you've ever made your own equipment and what it was. So when I was looking for something that could give me a nice smooth sweeping shot and something that could hold my camera, I found this. These are my kids' Duplo blocks, and it already has wheels and they're pretty smooth. You got to find a smooth surface for it to go on because there's no shocks, right? It's going to pick up a lot of things. So again, full disclosure, this is not the best solution, but it was a nice hack for what I needed at the moment. And what I did is I grabbed one of these that's already got the wheels on it, and I grabbed a couple of the one piece, and I put them in like so, so that it could hold my phone. I did use my phone for this shot instead of the DSLR, and that's because of the weight. So the DSLR was a little heavier, and it caused the wheels to not be as smooth of a ride. So yeah, I just put that in there, and I wedged my phone, making sure that the camera was up top, right in between those, and just pulled it along. I didn't have a case on mine, but I hope that you do. And don't be crazy with it, because obviously this is not made to be equipment. This is just a hack, and it worked. So I'm pretty proud of myself. And there you go. There's a nice little hack for you guys. Hopefully you have something lying around the house that you could use for a nice sweeping shot. Comment below and let me know if you found something different that I haven't tried. And of course, if you like this, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe, because you're gonna want to see what I've got next for you guys. I don't know, I gotta get more of these. These are fun. I gotta get these back to my kids.